Hi there, I want to look at hue saturations this time. I've got the Autumn Stream image already open. I need to click on the padlock to unlock it to make the layer active. Now, hue saturation is an adjustments layer again. So we're going to go to the new filler adjustment layer, circle half black, half white. Click on that, and we're looking for hue saturation. The hue of an image relates to the color of it. Saturation, I always say a fully saturated image, you can see this by turning it all the way up. Looks like your grandma's TV who's got her settings just the way she likes them. And if you turn the saturation down, it becomes unsaturated, which kind of becomes like black and white, where it's just rendered in grey. You can double click in any of these sliders to reset them to the 0 middle point. If we adjust the hue slider, you will see the hue of the image changes. So it's going from red to purple to blue to green, and if we go the other way, it goes like yellow and kind of magenta-y as we go to the right. We've also got the option to colorize the image. If we colorize it, it becomes like a photo filter, so the whole image becomes kind of sepia to green, purples. And again, to save the image, you're going to go File, Save a Copy, and just save it out as a JPEG, and write about each of these three sliders. Brilliant. Thank you for watching.